started drinking booze. He was screaming life ain't fair. And he said his name was Pete. Asked him why he's on the street. He looked down with such despair. He told me back when I was 21, I had a wife, a job, a son. I remember when life was so sweet. Then I started gambling. I lost my house, my wife, my kid. And ever since can't get back on my feet. So learn from my mistakes before it's too late. Sing it now. The only time you raise in Hollywood is when somebody cries. People come out here to chase their dreams, but dreams come here